Dr. Sabya Khan welcomes you in Gyan Ganga program organized by Zoology Department of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan Government College Ajmer in collaboration with Commissionerate of College Education Jaipur in order to promote virtual lab experiments for distance learning. Let's study mitosis. The requirements are: we need an onion bulb, the Carnoy fixative, 1N normal hydrochloric acid, distilled water, spirit lamp, acetocarmine stain, glass slides, cover slip, blotting paper, scissor, forceps, dropper, needle and a light microscope. The procedure is that we require onion root tips. We can grow onion root tips in the laboratory also. For that we required an onion bulb, which we are going to put it in a beaker containing water. Care should be taken that the base of the bulb should touch the water. Keep it in a safe corner for a couple of days. Within a couple of days, we see that the root tip, they have grown up to 3 to 5 centimeter. So what we require, with the help of the scissor, I am going to cut 1 centimeter of root tip and put it in the petri dish. This root tip, I am going to transfer it in Carnoy's fixative, which I have taken in this watch glass, and keep it for 48 hours. What is this Carnoy's fixative doing? It is fixing the DNA of onion root tip. After that, in the watch glass, I have taken normal 1N hydrochloric acid. I am going to transfer these root tips in this normal hydrochloric acid. Watch it on the flame for 5 seconds. You see white fumes, they have started coming. Leave it in the acid for 2 minutes. Now we have to do the washing of the tip. So in this watch glass, I have taken distilled water and I am going to transfer these onion root tips for thorough washing. With this, I am doing thorough washing. Now take up in this watch glass, I have taken acetocarmine stain and I am going to transfer these washed onion root tips in this acetocarmine stain. I have to heat it gently again for 5 minutes on the flame and leave it there for 5 minutes. What is this stain doing? The stain, it is staining the chromosomes of this onion root tip. Means it is staining the nuclear part of the cell, which we are going to study in microscope, the various stages of mitosis. Now take a glass slide and put in this stained onion root tips. They have become dark stained on this slide. Drop of water has been kept there. Now we have to cover it with the cover slip. We have to be very careful in putting the cover slip. Why? Because the air bubbles, it goes there. So with the forceps, I am taking this cover slip and I am putting it on this root tips. You see the stain, excess of stain, it is coming out. So what I do? I take this blotting paper and cover this with this to remove the excess of the stain. Now I take the blunt part of this forceps and I am going to squeeze the cells gently. Tapping I am doing slowly so that the cover slip doesn't break. And the cells, they are uniformly distributed. Gently tapping. Now you see the cells, they have spread and it is ready to study under the microscope. First, I am going to study in lower part. Observe it. 10x and then this is 10x I am doing and then I am going to observe in high power, that is the 40x. If we are observing in 100x, then we have to put a drop of immersion oil over it, over the cover slip and observe. The cells, they have been squeezed properly and we can see all the stages. Now you can see the pics I have taken with my mobile here. The various stages of mitosis which are shown here under this microscope. Here you can see the prophase, the nucleus, it is darkly stained, and the nuclear membrane and nucleolus, they have started disappearing. This is the metaphase stage. The chromosomes, they have come to lie on the midplate. Here you see the anaphase where the daughter chromosomes, they have moved apart, and this is the telophase stage in which two daughter cells have been formed. Here also the photographs I have taken with my mobile of this slide, the prophase, the metaphase, the anaphase and the telophase stage. The various stages, it's very clear. So this completes the mitosis